Hi, thank you very much for helping me with my course for this semester. The course title is Assessment of Outcomes for Clinical and Medical Care Delivery. And the reason that I've asked you to help me is because when forming this course, I noticed that there wasn't a lot of engaging material for the students. I like to have my students read current articles and then other manuscripts that are available. But I noticed for my particular topic for my course, there wasn't a lot available with more of a dynamic type of material, such as conversations with experts. So that's why I've asked you all to help me. The course title is Assessment of Outcomes for Clinical and Medical Care Delivery. And the description of the course is that it discusses comprehensive methods for determining quality of care and economic impacts of healthcare models. The course examines outcomes and value added from the view of patients, providers, and third-party payors. The focus is on determining standards and consideration for setting organizational policy. In this course, I'm going to be covering a number of topics, but I would love to have an expert opinion on anything of interest to you. I'm asking if it could be at a minimum 2 to 3 minutes of a recording. I'll be providing a YouTube channel for you to upload the video to, and this will then be a kind of documented space for anyone teaching in health informatics regarding assessment of outcomes for medical care delivery, maybe something of interest to you in the current dynamic of health informatics. I like to focus on data analytics when I am presenting for this course, particularly some challenges to use information in order to improve outcomes in patients. I'm using a online book, which I've attached a link to this email. It's The Institute of Medicine of the National Academies by Claudia Grossman, Alexander Goolsbee, Leanne Olson, and J. Michael McGinnis, and portions of another book called Healthcare Data Analytics. I encourage you to look at the topics. The online book that I've attached the link for is actually a workshop where a number of experts came together to discuss some issues with improving outcomes for patients based on legal issues surrounding sharing of data, changing of the healthcare model from pay per use to performance reimbursement. There are a lot of things that you could discuss if it's a passion of yours. I've also attached the syllabus for the course. In the syllabus, you're going to see I use the book quite a bit. This is just a skeleton of what I plan to do in the course. Obviously, it's the first time I taught it, so there'll be some changes along the way. But I did want to provide the students with some expert opinions and information. So if you have any questions, if you have a specific topic that speaks to you, I would love to hear what your opinion is and what your interest is. And then you can video on your own. You can come to Polytechnic and video at our studio, however works for you. I would love to then keep your recording for future use in other classroom settings. Also, I'd like to give you the opportunity, if you're interested in writing a white paper with me on any topic that is of interest to you. I will do the legwork and a lot of the writing and ask for your opinion and ask how you would like to incorporate your thoughts and ideas in that white paper. So that's something else I wanted to give you as an option. Please let me know if you have any questions or need help with the recording or the topic. And I really would like to talk to you each individually if you need help with this. Some tips when you're recording: usually don't want too many things going on in the background. A harsh light isn't always the best, and just a quiet space to record. And we'd be appreciative of anything you'd like to show us. And I will keep that YouTube link for you so you can show other people and see all the other expert opinions I've collected. So thank you very much. I appreciate it. And I will be talking to you soon.